Using for loop with slicing list. Using for loop with slicing list. Slices are very important to know it because if you want to create a game, you have to use slices to add the scores of the user or the player each time they finished playing. Let's see how. First, we have to go brackets. As you can see here, we have our list OS with its elements. So we want to use for loop with this slicing list. But first, I want to print a string sentence called now we are using for loop with slicing list. Then type for OS in OS square bracket. Then in the slicing list, put whatever you need. For me, I will put from 0 to 5 as example. Then print OS. Make sure of the indent after for loop. After that, try that on terminal. Alright, as you can see here, we got an error in the syntax because we forgot the colon. Okay, very nice. It's printed well right now. Thanks for watching.